Now, let us proceed to the poetic devices used in the poem The Patriot. The rhyming scheme of the poem is of iambic pentameter. It has a rhyme scheme of ABA, BA. Another one is pathetic fallacy. I go in the rain. Here, the rain is symbolic of a number of things. The patriot gets wet by the rain, losing his dignity. It can be viewed that the rain washes him clean, representing his innocence. So, when the emotions get transmuted from one object to another object, it is called pathetic fallacy. Juxtaposition. The image projected in the beginning of the poem is juxtaposed with the current scenario. This can be seen when the rooftops were swaying with the people in the first stanza, but in the fourth stanza it is empty. This effect works in creating a contrast, which is actually the central idea of this poem. Alliterations: roses, roses, myrtle mixed, crowd and cries, drop down dead, consonantal sound D, D, D. This adds rhyme and rhythm to the poem. Metaphor used: the use of roses in the first stanza has been to symbolize people's love and affection towards him. So that is metaphorical. The celebratory attitude of the people and their honoring the patriot has been metamorphosed as roses. Glory, power and immortality have been metamorphosed as the sun. He asked the men for the sun as it is the ultimate symbol of power. And you see my harvest, what I reap. In this line, the patriot's deeds have been referred to as harvest and the consequences have been metamorphosed as reaping. Personification. In the text, the house roofs seemed to heave and sway. The roof of the houses have been given the human characteristic of heaving and swaying. This has been done to refer to the crowd on the roofs and their frenzy on seeing the patriot, which is causing them to clamber over each other and give an impression of swaying. Imagery. The poem begins with an image of the past where the patriot is being welcomed back to his town with paths laden with roses and myrtles. The use of roses projects a positive picture as they symbolize love. They create a contrast between the past and the present. The image of crowded rooftops is juxtaposed with the image of empty rooftops and roads. Rain acts as a negative agent. The patriot is walking through the town and is bleeding and in pain. The reference to safety in God's abode ends the poem on an upbeat note, as the imagery is of positivity and optimism. Yes, this poem is rich with symbols. Like roses symbolize honor, respect and passion. Paths symbolize political career. Myrtle, love, purity, generosity and innocence. Spires, symbolic term for strength and hopeful gestures. Sun represents something beyond access or unreachable. Window stands for freedom. Forehead, a symbol of good luck, but bleeding forehead symbolizes bad luck. A rope symbolizes restrictions, devoid of power and confinement. Rain, symbol for period of despair and trial. Thank you.